Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Leo fire sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages, Leo fire sign. Your first card, Three of Cups, Judgment, Four of Swords. I think there is no contact or less contact between both of you. One person approaching for second chance. It could be your person in this connection. And Judgment, definitely some major decisions are going to be made. Three of Cups with Judgment, definitely reconciliation, and one person wants second chance in this connection, and Four of Swords. But another person in this connection may be undergoing some healing process. They are thinking about the other person a lot but not talking to the person. This person is undergoing some healing process. It could be your person, energy could be vice versa. I think it could be you, I am getting, because you are not talking to your person right now, Leo, but your person approaching you for second chance. Judgment with Three of Cups. They want reconciliation with you. Yeah. They want celebration with you, but it's up to you. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see some more. Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, you stand by your power. You cut your person off, definitely, but they are rushing towards you. Knight of Swords. They are rushing towards you, Leo. And yeah, but you are no more dependent on them. You are stable emotionally and financially also, because you deserve best. If your person not offer what you deserve, definitely cut them off. Okay, because you stand by your power, you deserve best. And your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy is here. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see some more. Okay, one card is Hanged Man. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, separation. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, your person may be juggling between you and your other person, between you and their career. Definitely there is some juggling going in your person's life, and they are stuck right now. Definitely they are stuck on you, and there is separation, some cold showering. Definitely for some there is separation, and your person stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. They don't know what to do because they are juggling. They have to make some decision. Yeah, judgment is also there. For some you have to take decision, and energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energies here. Let's see some more. Queen of Pentacles, Six of Wands, the World. And this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries, and different states, and some cycles are going to be repeat between you and your person. Same cycles repeating between both of you. And Six of Wands with Queen of Pentacles. Definitely they want you back, and they want success with you. But you are holding your coin back, and you are very caring and sharing person, Leo. But now this time you stand by your power. You cut your person off. Yeah. And for some, definitely you are working towards your goals, and you will get success there, because financially you will get success, because Nine of Pentacles. Definitely if you are working towards your goals, you will get success, Leo. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Two cards I'm not taking. So first we will see your person current feelings towards you, Leo. Two of Wands, Empress, Seven of Wands. Yeah, they don't want to give up on this connection. They see you like the Empress and they're thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands. Definitely day and night, they're losing their nights over you. Yeah. Leo, definitely they are thinking about you a lot, and this could be long distance relationship, or you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Yeah, definitely they don't want to give up on this connection. And the Empress, definitely they see you like their Empress. Yeah, so let's see, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. So energy could be vice versa, take what resonate and leave the rest, because this is general reading. Seven of Cups, Two of Swords, definitely your person juggling. Two of Pentacles is there, 10 of Swords. I think they're thinking about you a lot but not taking any action. I am getting here. They want everything. They want you back, but they are in some confusion state. Still they have to make some decision. Yeah, here decision is the key in this relationship. Decision making is the key. Because 10 of Swords, definitely they want rebirth in this connection. Some sad cycles are going to be end, some painful cycles are going to be end, and for some there are some new cycles are going to be begin between both of you. Definitely your person, maybe very few have some option also, that's why they are juggling. They don't know which decision they have to make, but they have to make if they want you back. But they are thinking about you a lot, and they don't want to give up on you also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Then we will get more clarity. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. Princess of Pentacles, the Moon, Ace of Swords, Justice. Yeah, some communication, truth coming out, honest communication. And yeah, I think communication will be begin between both of you. If you are, yes, definitely if you are in no contact or less contact, because Four of Swords is there, definitely in near future there will some communication open up, and definitely one person will approach the other person for second chance, justice, judgment. Definitely your person wants second chance with you, but they will make some communication from their end in their actions. At least you will get some communication from your person. And because the Moon, definitely there are still some disturbances between you and your person, because the Moon, the illusions, I think your person maybe have some illusions about you. Princess of Pentacles, definitely communication, some messages, some communication. Yeah, you both will communicate soon. Leo, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. For some, definitely there will new beginnings. Ace of Swords with Justice, second chance. You will give second chance to your person. For some, it depending upon your situation. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Leo, Hierophant, Nine of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Emperor. Definitely you stand by your power. This time you want to be stubborn. Definitely you are also thinking about your person a lot, and you are also thinking about day and night. I think you both are losing your nights one and another about for each other. And however, definitely you want commitment from your person, and you always there for your person. You are always committed in this relationship, Leo. But this time they have to make decision, because Two of Swords with Two of Pentacles, definitely they have to make decision. And your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, you are also feeling sad for the separation. But you stand by your power. You are working on yourself. That is the good in this reading. So your person overall energy for the week: Ace of Swords, Eight of Wands, Princess of Wands, and Three of Swords. Yeah, they are sad for the separation, and they are very sad, and they are in so much pain. And Princess of Wands, I think one person may be angry than the other person in this connection, and your person want to send some message, some communication. Definitely Eight of Wands. You both will communicate back and forth in near future. Definitely communication is the key also here. And Ace of Swords, communication again, two times Ace of Swords, some truth coming out, some honest communication. I think your person maybe want to express their feelings to you, Leo. So if there is no third party, definitely there will be reunion between you and your person. If there is third party or any other situation, think twice before taking any decision, because depending upon your situation, at end of the day it's your decision. Definitely your person wants second chance with you. You will get some communication from your person and Leo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.